Hi friends, Miss Carolina here from Discover at La Costa. Today I want to show you guys how to make some Play-Doh at home if you guys don't have any. Now you get to make your very own. So the ingredients that you're going to need is flour, some salt, water. You're going to need a food coloring if you want to make it lots of different colors. And you're going to need a bowl and a spoon to mix it all up, and a measuring cup that measures half a cup, and one that measures 1/4 of a cup. Okay. So first I'm going to take half a cup of flour, and I'm going to put it in the bowl. And then I'm going to take 1/4 of a cup of salt and put it into our bowl. And then you're going to need 1/4 of a cup of water also. So I'm going to dip it in here. And while you are gradually pouring the water in here, you're going to start mixing with your spoon. I'll show you guys what that looks like. It's all going to start sticking together. You're just going to mix, mix, mix. If your Play-Doh right now is too dry, you can add a little bit more water. And if it gets too sticky, you can add a little bit more flour. Okay, I'm gonna keep mixing this until I get the right consistency, and I'll show you guys when I'm all done. Okay, my friends, so I kneaded my Play-Doh, and now it looks like this. And it's all ready for some color, okay? So I split it up into 6 different little sections. I'm gonna take my primary colors, which is red. Put a little bit, some drops in this one. Some red. And then I'm gonna take my next primary color, yellow. Put it in the center. If you make them into little balls, it'll be easier. It won't get as messy, and it'll be easier to mix in well. And I'm going to take my third primary color, blue, and then I'm just going to knead these, and they are going to turn completely red, completely yellow, and completely blue. And if I want my secondary colors, I am going to mix red and blue in this one to make purple, blue and yellow in this one to make green, and red and yellow in this one to make orange. Okay, and then you're gonna have colorful Play-Doh. I hope you guys enjoy and we get to play with Play-Doh together. Bye.